to today's video. I hope you all are doing well, and if it's your first time here, welcome. I make regular videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today's video is all about this makeup look, the look which I am wearing today. It's a very gorgeous burgundy sort of smoky eyes paired with this bold lips, which is perfect for this festive season. And I have used a number of new COLORBAR products which I recently purchased. So COLORBAR was having her monsoon sale, and I thought of just picking some of my favorite products because I absolutely love COLORBAR as a brand. Her products are really of good quality, guys. So this is a box which contains all the products which I purchased from COLORBAR. So I have got a new foundation, a new blush, an eyebrow kit, a lipstick, a kajal, a highlight and a contour duo. So I have used 6 to 7 products of COLORBAR for creating this look, and the rest are from random brands because I don't have everything from COLORBAR. So I'm going to talk about each and every product which I'll be using in this video. At the same time, I'm going to show you each and every step of doing this makeup look so that it will be easier for you. So I do have quite a number of new launches by COLORBAR, guys. I do have used this new foundation. This is the COLORBAR Weightless 24 Hours Liquid Foundation. This is a newly launched product. So I'm going to provide my mini reviews about each and every product. And if you are wondering about these pair of jhumkis, these I got from Moldbox. I'm going to put their Instagram handle in the description box and you can definitely check that out. So I hope you're gonna like it, but before going to that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get updates whenever I upload a new video. So without any more blabbering, let's get started.
So I have well moisturized my face, and you can see this is how my skin is behaving lately after purging, and these are all the products which I'm going to apply on my face. So at first I'm taking the COLORBAR Weightless 24 Hours Liquid Foundation in the shade FC 4.2, and I'm taking 2 pumps of this at the back of my hand, and you can see it's a very thick foundation. So I'm going to apply it all over my face with the help of my fingertips and started on blending this out using my beauty sponge. And you can see this foundation actually sets really fast, so you have to work in potion, otherwise you will be finding it very difficult to blend. At the same time, this particular shade is having more like neutral undertone, but don't worry, this foundation actually oxidizes, so it will be becoming more like your own skin tone. So this is one single layer of the foundation, as you can see. So you can see a number of scars peeking through. So I'm just moving with my second layer of foundation, applying it on my cheek area. And this is not a full coverage foundation, guys. This is more of a medium coverage foundation. You need to layer it on to get your best coverage. So you can see this is how 2 layers of this foundation looks on my face, and you can definitely work with it if you want a medium coverage foundation, if you don't have that much spots on your face. Now I'm taking a spoolie and brushing it through my brows to give it a really nice shape. Now I'm taking this COLORBAR BROWFUL Shaping and Defining Kit, which comes with 3 eyebrow tools, 1 eyebrow powder and 1 eyebrow wax. And I'm going to just take the eyebrow brush from the kit, and with the help of that eyebrow powder, I'm going to fill in my brows. And it's having a very natural tint in it, more like a taupey shade, which will be definitely going to work on Indian eyebrows on a regular basis. Now I'm going to take the eyebrow wax. With the help of the spoolie it comes with, I'm going to evenly distribute it all over my brows to set my brows. And this particular wax is having such an interesting color which helps in setting your brows. At the same time, it looks really natural and your brows look really bushy, so you can definitely use it on a regular basis because it's a very natural looking eyebrow kit. So taking a concealer, I'm going to clean out the edges so that my brows look much more defined and you can hide those baby eyebrow hairs. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 312 Amber because I don't have any COLORBAR concealer, and I'm going to just apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on those spots that I am having on my face. And then I'm going to set my concealer using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. And products actually works really well on top of this foundation. You can see my base makeup is done. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I'm taking COLORBAR Just Smoky Eye Pencil in the shade Just Marsala, a gorgeous burgundy kajal, guys. It is having such a nice color, as you can see, and I'm in love with this eye pencil. So I'm going to take it and scribble it all over my eyelid like this, but this kajal actually sets really fast, so you have to work really fast. As you can see, it has already set on my eyes. So using a smudger, I'm trying to just smudge this out, blend this out, but it's hardly blending. So I'm reapplying it, and then using my pencil brush I have started on blending this out. So you have to work really fast for applying this kajal. Now I'm taking this contouring shade from the contour kit, and with the help of a blending brush I'm going to apply it all over my crease to make everything looks really diffuse. And now I'm just reapplying that kajal very close to my lash line to make it look really intensified, and again going to just smudge it really well. So you can reapply it a number of times until you get your the best pigmentation you want. Now I'm taking this burgundy shade from the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. This part is completely optional. I'm doing that in order to apply it in my lower crease to make everything looks really diffuse and there is no harsh lines. Applying that kajal also on my lower waterline and smudging this out using that burgundy shade from the Swiss Beauty palette. Now I am using this Color Bar waterproof liquid eyeliner in the shade black, and this is a really nice good quality matte liquid eyeliner. With this sort of smoky eye look, a winged eyeliner is not that essential, but I really love drawing winged eyeliners, guys. So you can see I am just applying mascara from L'Oreal because I don't have any Color Bar mascara. Now I'm applying this a pair of Fossis which I got from a nearby local cosmetic store, and it only cost me ₹50. So this is how the finished eye look turned out. Now it's time to move on to my face again. I'm taking this Color Bar Flawless Touch contour and highlighter kit and taking the contour shade from the palette, and with the help of this contour brush from PAC, I'm going to apply it under my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my jawline. And you can see this is a very pigmented contour kit, and the contouring shade is actually going to just make your face really muddy if you apply too much of this, so make sure that you apply in really less amount. Now I'm taking this Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet, which is a gorgeous everyday sort of pink having lots of browns in it with hints of mauve as well. It's going to look very gorgeous on across all Indian skin tones because it has got this sort of earthy undertones, and I really like it. So I'm going to apply it on my apples of the face, and this is a shade which I really like. The blush is of really good quality, guys. Now taking this highlighter from the same contour kit, I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and this is also a great highlighter, guys. It's so finely milled, it doesn't emphasize the texture of your skin. It's a very nice everyday sort of highlighter which is going to add a lot of glow on your face without emphasizing its texture. I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, as you can see, and also going to apply it on my brow bone to highlight my brow bone, and it looks really natural, and I think everybody just can pull this off. It's really a great highlighter. Now I'm going to neutralize my lips and apply this lipstick. This is the Wish Upon a Star Kiss Proof Lipstick by Color Bar in the shade Desert Rose, and it's having such a great formula. It's so creamy to apply, guys, and the shade is such a pretty pink shade having blue undertone. It's going to look gorgeous on across all Indian skin tones. It's a complete different sort of pink that I have in my collection, and it's completely transfer proof lipstick, guys. It sets into a complete matte smudge proof, budge proof lipstick. I really like it. I have set my face using a setting spray, and this is how the final look turned out.
Look, guys, this is how I have created this gorgeous burgundy smoky eyes paired with this gorgeous lip color. I am in love with this lip shade, and the formula of this kiss proof lipstick by Color Bar is awesome, guys. I think you should be definitely trying out at least one shade from this collection, and if you want to try a really gorgeous pink shade which is definitely going to work for all Indian skin tones, I think you should be definitely trying out the shade Desert Rose. This shade will be absolutely looking gorgeous on all skin tones, and I really like the blush. The contour kit is also of a really good quality, and it's insanely pigmented. I have got mixed feelings about the foundation because it's really thick. At the same time, it has got more like medium coverage. I expected this to have more like full coverage, but it has got medium coverage. coverage because I do have a number of scars and I had to apply around 3 layers of the foundation to cover my scars. At the same time, it's so thick that you have to work in portion. Just don't put it all over your face and then take time to blend it out, because if you do that, it will be settling onto your skin and it will be becoming very difficult for you to blend this out. So make sure that you work in portion. Really love the kajal. I think you can use a shade Just Marsala from Just Smoky Kajal of Color Bar during the puja days, and I think people will be just staring at you. It's such a gorgeous kajal, guys, and it's completely a smudge proof, budge proof kajal. So I really love Color Bar products, guys. You have seen me using a number of their products in my tutorial. I'll be soon trying more products and will be definitely sharing my thoughts about it. I'm going to put the link of each and every product in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I hope you really like this video, guys, and this video has helped you a lot, and if it did, make sure that you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already, or if you're just watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe. It means a world to me because I just need your love and support. You can even share this video with your friends and family on any other social platform or you want, because that will help others, at the same time will help me to grow. So we'll see you soon in my next video with a number of makeup tutorials and a number of videos for this festive season. So stay tuned for that. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.